we go. What's going on, YouTube? I had some GoPro. So,
what?
We're here with Honda on Mega, aka Jeffrey, with the Honda 300 that just got fully rebuilt again for the third time. Well, this time was your whole rear end.
Yeah, but could have been worse.
Are you used to your rear end blowing out on you like that?
Compound mode, man.
Your rear end, my front diff. Yeah.
Tires 6
So,
inches bigger.
what we're doing right now is installing the axles. We had a video on this one, but didn't like how the video turned out, how much shit there was going on. Hold on. Go ahead.
I wish my tassel nose came off my axle that easy.
Oh, see, what happened was I used that impact on your castle nuts and
stripped them.
I didn't strip shit. No, I just kind of over tightened them on level 3. Milwaukee. Yo, Milwaukee, if you're listening, I need that sponsorship. Well, anyways, I need some more tools. I'm running out of tools.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, I was like, how did it go from?
Dude, pull up.
I was just making sure it was on there.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Just making sure.
Yeah, just making sure.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta make sure.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, yeah, that's right. Because there's a few parts on my bike that are reversed.
Yeah, probably internal.
Well, I mean,
like the flywheel bolt, I would believe it would be.
My centrifugal.
Yeah, reverse thread. Like my diff on my Civic, it's reverse thread.
Do you
the
got
bolts.
the brake lock on or something?
No. You just pull it. Let's see. I'm teaching him how to do my bike, so when I don't feel like doing my bike, he can do it for me. And it's not just that. No offense to any of my subscribers, I really don't like to have my face on camera.
Because he's scared.
No, it's not that I'm scared.
He's an FBI agent.
Shh.
They know now.
Well, thanks a lot, man.
You ready?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like they knew. Snapped it. Oh, it's just kidding. I didn't snap it.
Huh. It wouldn't matter at this point. The bike's been down for what, 4 months? Yeah. And if people are wondering why the bike's been down for 4 months, is I'm poor. No. It's not that. It's I got a lot more other bills. And don't get me wrong, guys, I would love to post. Yeah, just whack that out. What are you doing? No, you never hit it right there. No.
Well, I can't hit it from this side.
Dude, why can't you? Now hit it.
Oh.
No. What? No, dude, you see? Right here. That's where they get hit. Right? There you go. I had my ball joint twice. Oh well.
Yeah, see? That's what I was trying to avoid today.
Well, you're supposed to. That's why they're right here. Or you get the tool, which I do have the tool, guys, so don't bash me in the comments, please. I just don't know where I put the tool.
Do it. Bash them.
Don't. Alright. Sorry. Now we're back.
That's gotta...
Well, dude. Gotta take this out. You gotta take it out.
Nah. Come on, I don't want to do all this extra work.
It's not extra.
It's extra.
It's a 14.
I'm gonna fuck you up, dude.
14's right here. Dude, impact. Okay. No, it just... lift that up. See if you can plunge it in. No.
Yep, there's your problem. That behind.
Oh. First lower torn.
Mm.
$17.
Those.
No. That one's that.
Okay.
This one. This.
Oh crap.
Here, since you got the 14 on already.
I got the. Yeah, I do got the 14.
Where's
The
this?
other wrench should be. I got it.
Alright, go ahead. Good. Go. Rotor.
I swear mine's such a pain compared to this. Because I mean, I got the big stick stoppers.
Mm-hmm.
I literally have to take this whole bracket off just.
Didn't you? Didn't you? Do I want to put the silverbacks on? That's the question. Yes and no.
Dude, we could do it all right now. Silverback.
I could have the whole bike back together today.
Well, why don't we?
It's just, I gotta paint my racks.